Hello everyone, welcome to another artwork by Divine Files. Today we're going to learn to create this elegant title page for your project work. First thing first, you'll be need of some stationery material. You can use thick sheets and craft sheets that are just the thinner version of sheets. You can also use craft papers, brush pens, markers, sketches, sticky notes, more stickers, maybe some colored pens, and any of the preferred decorative items like tapes that are available in your locality or in the market at your convenience. Before starting the video, I'd like to tell you that this video is in collaboration with Defensive Fitness. So if you're into health and fitness related stuff, go check out his channel. The link will be in the description box. Also, if you'd like to know about the kind of stationery items that I'm using in the video, you can ask me in the comment section and I'd be more than happy to tell you. You may also comment on the video to let me know what more kind of content would you like to see in the future on my channel. I'd be giving shout out to any person who comments on my video and is a genuine subscriber. So please make sure to comment what would you like to see next. Also, if you're from the science background, all the project file and work has already been uploaded on my channel. You can definitely go check out. If you also want work for arts and commerce background, then you must ask me in the comments and I'll make video as per that. Thank you. If you like my work and would further like to see more such videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.